皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今までの過去のレッスンビデオで動詞の活用について勉強してきましたね。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. In the past few lesson videos, we've been learning a verb conjugation formal. In this video, we are going to learn the verb conjugation for the summary, and the topic is let's write down or make a verb conjugation chart. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't learned any verbs yet, or if you don't know any verb conjugation yet, please check out my previous videos. Let's get started. これが動詞の活用のチャートですね。動詞 means verb, 活用 is a conjugation. チャートはカタカナでチャート。ノートがありますか？ノートがあれば、ノートにこれを書いてみましょう。一緒に書いてみましょう。私今ここ入力しますね。入力 means input, write down on here together. So, start with a formal ね。formal verb is a present tense or future tense is ますね。As we go, I'll write it down. So you can also write it down on your notebook. You create a chart that's organize your verb conjugation. Then formal past は何でしたか？何ですか？覚えてる？ Do you remember what's the formal past? Formal past is ます then ます change to ましたですね。そして means and then そして present negative. present negative is for example don't ね。I don't eat とかね。don't. That will be ます change to ません。ません。So, blah, 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 ません。So, that's why I typed here ません。Then, next is a past negative. So, past negative is we are working on verbs. So, didn't do something. So, that will be ません because same as ません previous one. But you add it's a past. So, you add ませんでした。So, that's the past negative verb. ませんでした。Then yes, no question for future or present tense would be present is a start with. By the way, this one, if you want to show this one in Japanese, I type it kara, like a kara. If you type it and then change, it will change this shape. How do you call it in English? Like a wavy one. This one. ブラブラブラ。で、ますかってね。ますかって。So that's the か make it a question. と、verb のます。Then you add か。So that become a question ね。Then yes, no question. Then past. Did you do something? That would be you can say ましたか。So that's all the verb conjugation for. We are working on this is a formal. Okay, so those who can't read hiragana yet, you just hear the sound and copy. So ます、ました、ません、ませんでした、ますか、ましたか。大丈夫？ OK ですか？ So let's, I will change the slide. スクリーンを、シェアしますね。はい。So, これがね、verb chart ですね。So let's try exercise 練習問題ね。So I want you to try to fill in to read 2番 to eat to go. So you can pause this video. ビデオを止めて自分でチャートを作ってみましょう。You can pause the video and then you actually handwriting ます、ません、 to those three verbs if you need it. Okay, start. And if you need more time, please pause it, okay? じゃあ、チェックしましょうね。Let's check. So start with to read is 読みます。Dictionary form is 読む。Master form is a formal form. Formal is 読みます。Long form is 読みます。Then past tense is 読みました。読みません。読みませんでした。読みますか？読みましたか？ So it's simple like this verb conjugation. Let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. 読みます。読みました。読みません。読みませんでした。読みますか？読みましたか？はい、じゃあ次。To eat は食べる is a dictionary form, but I didn't include a dictionary form in this one. We are working on just a master form because that's the way of conjugated. So ます then change to ました。Formal past 食べました。Then present negative would be 食べません。Past negative 食べませんでした。So you keep 食べ part ね。stem. And then 食べますか is a question. Then 食べましたか like did you have, did you eat? So that's the you see question. Yes, and the question is ending is a car. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. 食べます。食べました。食べません。食べませんでした。食べますか？食べましたか？はい。では最後ね、3本目。3本目は we did 行きますね。行きます。to go is 行きます。So, you keep the 行き all the way, but you change the ますto ました。the formal. Okay, let's see. 行きました。then present negative is 行きません。then past negative は行きませんでした。So past negative means I didn't go. Then, will you go? Are you going to go somewhere? Like 行きますかね question mark. Then 行きましたか is did you go? So you can use those verbs to create a question or your statement. Because everyday conversation, we use a lot of different type of verbs and verb tense. Let's go through pronunciation together. 行きます。行きました。行きません。行きませんでした。行きますか？行きましたか？はい。はい、このレッスンはここまでです。どうでしたか？どうでしたか？ How did it go? わかりましたか？ Did you understand? わかりましたか？お疲れ様です。Nice job. So that's for this lesson. Well done with your practice. It's very important to actually use hands-on experience, not just watching videos. Actually, you actually write it down. And especially if you plan to go to Japan, Japan is still like a hard copy society. Like you, in some time situation, you have to write it down your names or fill in the forms. So it's good to have a skill to be able to handwriting in Japanese letters. さあ、見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてみてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have all access to the lesson videos, and you can ask your questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more detail. I will see you in the next video. それではまた。